Today we're learning how to divide polynomials using synthetic division. Synthetic division is a process that makes use of numerical coefficients in dividing polynomials, in which the divisor is a binomial in the form x minus c. These are the steps in dividing polynomials using synthetic division. 1. Arrange the coefficients of the dividend in descending powers of x, placing zeros for the missing terms. The top row contains the coefficients of the dividend in descending power of x. On the leftmost, separated by an inverted L shape, put the value indicator. Third, bring down the leading coefficient below the line. This will be the leading coefficient of the quotient. Multiply the number below the line to the value indicator. Place the product below the coefficient of the next term of the dividend. Add the 2, that would be the next coefficient of the quotient. Repeat step 4 until the last number below the line is obtained. Write the quotient. The quotient is 1 degree lower than the dividend. The last number in the quotient side is the remainder. Divide the following using synthetic division. X to the fourth minus 8x squared plus 3 divided by x minus 2. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. X to the fourth minus 8x squared plus 3 divided by x minus 2. Step 1 is to arrange the coefficients of the dividend in descending powers of x and replacing zeros for the missing terms. Our dividend is the same thing as x to the fourth. X cubed is missing, so we write down 0x cubed minus 8x squared. X to the first is missing, so we put 0x. And we have the constant 3. So the coefficients are 1, 0, negative 8, 0, and positive 3. Our divisor is x minus 2. So this means our c value is positive 2, which is our value indicator. So on the left, we will write the 2. So this is how we set up the synthetic division. The next step is to bring down the leading coefficient 1. And this will be the leading coefficient of the quotient. Now we need to multiply 1 by the value indicator 2, which is 2. Then we add 0 plus 2, that's 2. And we will repeat the process. Multiply 2 times the value indicator 2, that's a 4. Adding negative 8 and 4, that's negative 4. Now we multiply negative 4 by the value indicator 2, that's negative 8. 0 plus negative 8 is negative 8. And we will repeat the process. Negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. 3 plus negative 16 is negative 13. So negative 13 here is the remainder when you're dividing the f of x by x minus 2. And now we will write the quotient. The highest power of the dividend is 4. So the highest power of our quotient is 1 degree less. So we will start with cube or third power. The first coefficient is 1, so we will have 1x cubed or the same thing as x cubed. The second coefficient is 2, so we have plus 2x squared. Next, we have negative 4, so that will be negative 4x to the first power or negative 4x. And the constant negative 8. The remainder is negative 13, so we will write plus the negative 13 divided by the divisor x minus 2. So this is the answer for this problem. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.